Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be making a lip serum which will help you get a lighter and pinker looking lips, and you can do this at home itself using the ingredients that you get in the kitchen, and use this serum every single day before you hit the bed or whenever you get done. And if this serum worked really well for you, please come back and let me know that it actually worked for me. And the main ingredient for this lip serum is ghee, which is rich in vitamin A, D, and E. And also, ghee has a lot of moisturizing and lightening properties. Ghee also helps in making your lips softer, and the other ingredients are vitamin E and sweet almond oil. Both of these are known for its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory properties, which will help you get rid of the chapped and dry lips if you are suffering from those. And mix these ingredients together nicely and store it in a container. Before you use it every time, shake it really well because the ghee might separate from the oil. Just give it a good shake and you're good to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit on the subscribe button and also the like button. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.